Okay, what we are going to go through today will be on rounding numbers to a specific decimal places, rounding numbers to a specified significant figures, and then estimation as well. So I presume all these three you have already completed in school?
Nope.
Not yet. So do you have any idea about significant figures or not?
Nope. No clue.
Huh? No idea at all?
Yeah, we haven't even touched that topic yet.
You haven't teach the topic yet.
Yeah.
Then do you go through the lesson or not? Do you go through the online lesson?
No.
No. How are you going to do the question if that's the case then? Okay. Let me just go take a look. So maybe I will go through roughly. So actually this will be on chapter 3 already, approximation and estimation. Okay, approximation and estimation. All right, maybe Mr. Go just go through the rounding off, then after that I go through the significant figure. All right, would that be okay?
Yeah.
All right, for instance, rounding off like this, you shouldn't have an issue, right?
Yeah, no issue.
Okay, so let's say, for instance, A, B, C, D. Mr. Go asks you to tell me what is the answer for A. If you are supposed to round off 587,253 to the nearest 10, so what would the answer be?
587,250.
Okay, 587,250. All right. Okay, next one. What about the nearest 100?
587,300.
587,300. Okay, that's good. All right, what about 1,000?
587,000.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, last one. What about 10,000?
59,000. 590,000.
Okay, 590,000. Okay, hi Yuanjia, can you hear me? Okay, Yuanjia, Mr. Ko just check with you which chapter are you in now in school?
I mean, like chapter just went into chapter 3.
Oh, just went to chapter 3. So do you know about significant figure?
Yeah.
The teacher already gone through about significant figure? Okay, that's great. Okay, I'm just going through about the round off. So for instance, the first question, round off 587,253 to the nearest 10. That will be 5,807,250. Okay, and then if it's nearest 100, then it becomes 300. All right, and if it's 1,000, it becomes 7,000. And if it's round off to the nearest 10,000, it becomes 590,000. Is this all right with you? Okay, great. So now I have A, B, C here. Okay, so maybe Jaden, you will tell me what's the answer for A. Yuanjia, you tell me the answer for B. All right. Okay, Jaden, you tell me what's the answer for A.
5.9, right?
5.9, all right. So 5.9 meters. Okay. All right, now it's Yuanjia's turn. How about B?
The
Round
nearest
off.
centimeter is 9 cm.
Okay, nearest centimeter is 9 centimeter. Okay, very good. All right, now both of you will answer C, okay? And then you will send the answer via the message to me. Would that be okay? Okay, let's try sending message to me. Okay, very good. Both also get correct. Wonderful. All right, so the answer is oops, let me go up first. All right. Okay. Now we are going into the question already. So as we go along, Jaden, you will learn about significant figure, okay? So now we look at the first questions. Now this one shouldn't be an issue. Now you're supposed to round correct each of the following numbers to the number of decimal places as stated. So you're A, B, C, D, E. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I give you 1 minute to complete that and send the answer to me. Would that be okay? Okay. In fact, it should be quite all right. Okay, let me go set my timer. You all can quickly work on it already.
We do everything, right?
You did everything already?
Yeah.
Okay, then you send me everything, then send me the answer starting from now.
Okay.
So I will tell you whether you got the answer right or wrong, or you get all correct. Yuanjia, are you seeing the question the first time? Or do you downloaded the worksheets or not?
When I saw the class, right, I came a bit late because I thought it was the second one.
Oh, okay. Never mind, never mind.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I didn't
This,
do it.
yeah, it's okay. The question here are still quite easy, okay? So you can easily do it. All right. Okay, let's see. Jaden, the answer for C. Can you look at your answer for C?
What?
Yeah, can you look carefully your answer for
Wait.
C again?
Okay, I sent my answers already.
Okay. All right. Let's see. Do you miss out?
Oh,
Did you miss out A or not, Yuanjia?
I did not. It's
Huh?
12.5.
Oh, how come Mr. Koh didn't see your 12.5? Okay. You typed the earlier on. Okay. So see it now. Okay. Oh, okay, now you see, Jaden, right or not? Do you type wrongly?
yeah.
Okay. All right, very good. So A, B, C, D, E, all of you get correct. So shouldn't be an issue, right? Any question for this or not? No, then we'll move on, okay? Everybody's okay? Okay, let's move on to the next question. All right, now we move on to significant figure. So, Jaden, you should have seen this, right? So do you know how to do the significant figures?
Oh, no.
Don't know, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, later on, Mr. Ko will read out the rules to you. Actually, you Do you have textbook or not?
Yeah.
What textbook
You
do
want me
you
to go
have?
check?
Now, what textbook do you have, Mr. Go ask?
Math textbook.
Yeah, what's the title of the math textbook?
I need to go check.
Okay.
May I ask, is
Yeah.
E like E 5.001? I'm not quite sure.
Okay, 4 significant figure. Yes.
It is
Yeah,
right.
All right. Yes.
I'm back. The textbook is called Think Mathematics.
Okay, good. Think mathematics. Can you turn to page 75 of your Think mathematics?
Okay. Done.
Okay, can you see the significant figure? The
Is
5
it the
rules?
5? Yeah.
Yeah, the 5 rules.
Yeah.
So Mr. Ko quickly run through the 5 rules to you. So it says rule number 1 is all non-zero digits are significant. Non-zero. Okay, that's
What's
rule
the
1.
meaning?
What's the meaning? Non-zero means like as long as not zero, it is counted as significant figure. Understand?
Without zero.
Okay, so then what's the second one? It say all zeros between non-zero digits are significant. Okay,
This.
so maybe Ms. Go write down rule 1. Okay, so I write down rule 1 so that you have an idea what's rule 1, okay? Because it's on your book. So when it says all non-zero digits are significant, so for instance, 192, okay, sorry, 193. So this one will be significant. So this is 3 significant figure. All right, so rule 1 is non-zero digits. Mr. Go write down. Non-zero digits. Okay, now I go on. Rule 2. If it's all zeros between non-zero digits are significant, for instance, 2001. Now between non-zero. So this one between non-zero, so it's considered as significant. So how many significant figure are there? There are 4 significant figure. Okay. So quickly, Mr. Go on to rule 3. For your sake, okay? In the decimal, all zeros before a non-zero digits are not significant. For instance, if I have 0.0072, now all these are non-significant. So in this case, there are only 2 significant figure. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, now I go on to rule 4 already. So I quickly run through the rules. Now, rule 4, in a decimal, all zeros after a non-zero digits are significant. All zeros after a non-zero digit are significant. For instance, if I have 0.7, okay, then all zeros after a non-zero digit, this is a non-zero digit, so I can have a 0, 0, 0, okay? So in this case, it can be considered as first one, counted. So can be considered as 2 significant figure. Also can be considered as 3